हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ऑफ एसडीएम भादरा जून। देखिए, ये मैं आज आप लोगों के लिए 7th क्लास का मैथमेटिक्स का है ना 7th क्लास का सब्जेक्ट मैथमेटिक्स का है ना और सेकंड चैप्टर हाँ जी, एक्सरसाइज नंबर 2.2 का ये आपका वीडियो 1 है। ठीक है जी। और नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट with our question number first, which is which of the drawings A to D show which of the drawing A to D which of the drawing A to D show number first one is 2 is multiplied with 1/5, यानी 1/5 का 2 times. Okay, second one is what? Second one is 2 into 1/2. Third one is what? Third one is 3 into 2/3. 3 into 2/3. Fourth one is what? Fourth one is 3 into 1/4. Okay, now A is what? A is this circle. This type of designs are there in our question number, part number A. These. Okay. This portion is dotted like this, and this portion is shaded. It means this portion has been detected from the whole circle. Okay. Second one is this circle, and in this is given. This portion is shaded like this, and third circle is this one. This is third circle is this one, and here we will see this portion is dotted. And these two portions are shaded like before. ओके, पहले की तरह पहले दो सर्कल्स में जैसे ये दोनों शेडेड थे, है ना, वैसे ही इसमें ये शेडेड है. नेक्स्ट वन इज बी. इन आवर पार्ट बी व्हाट वी आर गिवन इज this is B part, and now this is part C. This is our part C, which is this one is shaded and these are dotted. Likewise, this is also third one is this one. Two, 3, 4 and 5. This is also 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and in this first portion is this one, which is shaded, and all other portions are, this one is also shaded, now A, B, C and this is D. So now we have to match these four. First one is 2 into 1 by 5. What is 2 into 1 by 5? What is 2 into 1 by 5? R2 into 1 by 5 is, R2 into 1 by 5 is now we will see, this is R2 into 1 by 5. 1 by 5 means there must be 5 parts and we have to choose one. Okay, so here are our 5 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have to choose one. And when we will multiply 2 by this one, then here we are seeing there are 2 figures. So this is 1 by 5 and 2 into 1 by 5 is, this is 2 times. Okay, now this is 2 into 1 by 5. This is a clear figure for 2 into 1 by 5. Okay, so now what we will do is, this is 2 into 1 by 5. So in this what we will do is, our first one is showing a matching with our D. Okay, I am just going to write answers over here. First one is matched with our D. Okay, D part. So now we'll go for our second one. Second one will match with our this is 1 by 2. Here we are seeing this is 1 by 2. These are two parts and we have to choose one from two. Okay, so this is 1 by 2 and this is another 1 by 2. 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So 2 into 1 by 2. This is 2 into 1 by 2. Clear? Chaliye. This is 2 into 1 by 2. So our second part is matched with our part B. Okay, third one is what? Third one is 3 into 2 by 3. Now here we are seeing these are 2 out of 3. This is 2 by 3 and this is 3 times. So here we are seeing our third part is matched with our part A. Third part is matched with our part A. Okay. Fourth one is what? Fourth one is 3 into 1 by 4. Okay. So this is our 1 by 4. These are 4 parts and one is shaded. Okay, so this is 1 by 4 and this is 3 times, hence this is 3 into 1 by 4. So our fourth part is matched with our part C. Okay, this is our answer. This is our answer. Okay, now the question is completed. That was which of the drawing A to D shows. This is okay. Next part is, or our next question is, next question number second I am going to just solve is what? Question number second is some pictures A to C are given below. Some pictures A to C, some pictures small a to small c are given below. Some pictures are given below. Tell which of them show. Tell which of them show. Tell which of tell which of them show. Tell which of them show. First one is question number second, part first is 3 into 1 by 5. This is equals to 3 by 5. Our second part is what? Second part is 2 into 1 by 3 equals to 2 into 1 by 3 equals to 2 by 3. Third part is, our third part is what? 3 into 3 by 4. 3 into 3 by 4. This is equals to 9 by 4. This is equals to 9 by 4, which is 2 into 1 by 4. This 9 by 4 I have just written from my side, okay? Because as we know very well, this is in your book on this only this part is given is equals to this part, okay? So and I have written this one also, okay? Next one is, these are drawings. Our first drawing is this one. Okay, so our first one is what? Our part A is, or we can say, some pictures A to C are given below. Tell which of them show in this, which of them show. Our first part is 3 into 1 by 5 is 3 by 5, and this is here we are seeing. This is our first part, which is shaded on 3. This is shaded over here also, and in this one also. Okay, and over here full part is shaded only, or all the parts are shaded. Okay, so here we are having two figures and now we have to choose which one is seeing to which figure. Okay, so first one is, here we are seeing these are three parts, so this is 1 by 3. Okay, shaded one is 1 out of 3, shaded is only 1, so this is 1 by 3, this is also 1 by 3, so this is 2 into 1 by 3, which is equals to 2 by 3. So our first, this figure is showing to our part number second. Okay, now here we are seeing these are four parts and one is non shaded, means we have taken one part out of 4, so sorry, 3 parts out of 4, because 3 are shaded. 3 parts out of 4 means 3 by 4. So this is equals to 3 by 4 and 3 figures are there. So this is 3 into 3 by 4, which is equals to 9 by 4. So this is our number third. Okay, I am just drawing the third picture, which will denote our part number first, which is 3 into 1 by 5 upon 3 by 5. Okay, so I am just going to draw this picture, which will indicate us what is our 3 into 1 by 5 means 3 by 5. 3 into 1 by 5 means 3 by 5. So this is our part, this was our part A. So our A is matched with our part second. This was our part B. Our part B is matched our part third. Now our part C is what? Our part C is this one. Strips are given. 5 strips are there, out of which one is shaded. One, two, three, four, 5. One is shaded, this one. Okay, and this type, and how many figures are there of this type? How many figures are there of this type? A, B, and this is A to C. Okay, so here we are seeing this is C1, this is second, and this is third. This strip is shaded in our given question. Okay, and here we are seeing the 5 strips are like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now this is A, this is B, this is C, and first one is matched with A, second one is matched with third, and C, and our first one is matched with RC. Our answers are, hence our answers are, number first is matched with C, second is matched with which B, second matched with A, and third one is matched with which third one is matched with B. Okay, this is our answer.